up some good old fish. We'll light the fire. Check it's on. Checking it out. Now we're going to pour some flour onto the plate to put the fish in. Make sure you get enough flour for the amount of fish you're doing. Sprinkle it over the plate nice and even. It's beautiful. Next, put your fish on the plate. Make sure it's all buried in the flour. And roll it round, right round. Baby, right round. Covered in flour. Nice and covered. All white like snow. We're having a look now at the fry pan. Got some butter. Slap that fish in. Look at it sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, lovely. Make sure it's nice and hot. Make sure it's all uneven. It's gonna be beautiful. You've got to make sure you got to put that little bit of extra butter in, make it nice and crispy. Make sure you spread the butter around. Be careful you don't get it too hot, you might burn the butter. Nothing worse than burnt butter. Make sure it's spread right round. Move the fish around, get it in that butter. Whoa, that looks good. Num, num, num. It's looking sweet. We gotta flip the fish to make sure it cooks evenly. Ignore the first attempt. Look at that, beautiful and golden. I'm gonna have a feast today. Oh boy. And the most important ingredient, the lemon pepper. Wouldn't have fish if it didn't have lemon pepper. Fish. Here we go. Let's taste this fish. I'm using 2 forks because I'm special. Oh, that tastes so good. Beautiful. Oh, we have world-class taster River Mills. He looks in despair, or is that joy? He shakes my hand. I've got a deal. He loves it. Tune in next week. Thanks for watching this episode. We're going to be tuning it. We're not tuning a seagull. No, we're going to be eating a seagull. Yum, yum.